What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Don't know if this is going to be a totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday, but at least we're going to look at some tools. Couple boxes from Milwaukee. I got this guy right here. I'm honestly not even sure what's in it. Milwaukee sent me out some new stuff. We're going to find out what's in the box. I don't know if I want to open this one first because I feel like it's going to give away what's in the other packages. I don't want to look at that one. It's too light. It's too light. This one's a little bit heavy. I'm thinking this might be some of the new hand tool stuff. Let's find out. I know there's been a lot of new offerings from Milwaukee this year. Oh no, this is legit. I've been needing one of these for quite some time because I'm gonna tell you right now, I use a ton of Milwaukee sockets when I'm working on my BMWs. And this guy, well, this is a SAE one. So this is one that I don't really use that often because I don't do a ton of standard stuff. However, hopefully I got a metric one coming. But these are impact sockets right here. And I can't tell you how much I use just my regular like socket set from Milwaukee over here. These ones right here on impact tools, unfortunately. Yes, I do have impact sockets and stuff like that down here. But like I said, a lot of times I just throw those on there because it's easy. Secondly, it's because I don't have a super organized little situation for them. So this is gonna work great for my mobile setup to this new offering here. Ooh, yeah, baby. Look at that. That is nice. This is just like your really high-end Mac or Snap-on type stuff where it comes in its nice little case, and these are great. Now you can see they all do have a little red ring around them, and they have really nice engraved labeling, which is great. So these are all 3/8 right here. Impact set, which is amazing. I'll be able to use that with my 3/8 impact wrench, which I absolutely love this mid torque. If you guys are looking for like, what do you want to buy? I highly recommend investing into a mid torque. This is the 2960-20 right here. You can see it's pretty dirty. It's got a couple modes on it. It's very nice. Yeah. Well, so much for that organization. So you can see right here, firsthand, it's nice to have it labeled. Oh, and impact resistance. That's what it looks like when it hits the ground. So yeah, it will ding up a little bit, but that's okay. So we got the labels, 7/8, and these are all labeled in the actual thing right here. We got a 13/16, 3/8, a 5/16, and 16. I feel like a kid. 5/8, doing one of those games. 3/4, 7/16, the 9/16. That's like the 10 mil of the standard world, the SAE world. Got a 1/2 inch, which apparently I put in the wrong place. Dude, what? Oh, 9/16 because I can't read. 1/2 inch and the 1 inch. So that is awesome. And what I think I'm gonna do with that is this is gonna make the perfect little kit for my pack out stuff over here that I can slide in one of the drawers. So, like I was saying, this box right here, this one was super lightweight. So I'm curious as to what's in this guy. Ah, yes, the other day I ordered, I got the new second gen extended reach, and I got the 1/4 and the 3/8 inch drive, and this is just a little cap for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on there, but highly recommended when you have these, or else they get all beat up and they start looking like this. So that is a great accessory from Milwaukee Tool. I'll use a couple of these tools, doing some stuff in some future projects. I love Milwaukee stuff, dude. It's so sick. They're always innovating. They're always coming out with something new. I know these are just sockets, but you know, like these the other day, these are cool. Like there's so much cool stuff from Milwaukee. And I love it. Let me know what tool you guys would like to see from Milwaukee Tool. If there's something in your lineup that you're like, man, I wish they made this, let me know down in the comments. So later, guys, and wrench on.